Good morning, Linda. Brian Campbell here, Columbiana Cadillac Buick and Chevy. I wanted to say hello to you. Behind me is the Avalanche you're interested in. Extremely nice car. It's the Black Diamond Edition. It's all loaded up. It's got a lot of good things on it. If you have any other questions, give me a call. If you want to set up a time to take a look at it, call me at 330-697-0425. I'm at Columbiana Cadillac Buick and Chevy in Columbiana, Ohio. And we are open today until 8 o'clock. And if you're interested in some fair food, behind us we have the street fair going on. So you might have to go a block around to get to see us, but give me a call with any questions, 330-697-0425. Thanks, Linda. Have a great day. Bye.